need the money to buy food.
Oh, I have something much better than money.
What?
Look at my hand. Beans, magic beans. Plant them and wait for the magic.
Here's my pouch. Now give me the magic beans. I can't believe Jack fell for that. Mother, look at I have beans.
Beans? You sold our cow for beans?
Magic beans, Mother. We just plant them and wait.
Oh, Jack, my boy. I don't know about that.
But Jack's mother helped him plant the beans. Did they grow? Yes, the next morning the beanstalk was huge. Mother, there's the magic. Look at the beanstalk.
Oh my, it goes to the sky.
I will climb to the top. Maybe there's something valuable there. After all, we can now live on magic. Jack climbed to the top of the beanstalk. He could not believe his eyes. What was up there? A castle, and near the castle was a hen laying golden eggs, 2 bags of gold coins, and a talking card. It said, "Be aware of the giants." What giants? Obviously. There's no giants decoding eggs and coins all for me. I will take them to my mother to buy food. But just then Jack heard a thump, thump, thump. Who made that sound? It was a giant who lived in the castle. When he was very, very hungry, and when he was hungry, he was mean. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Who do I smell? I need to know. Jack saw the giant. He hid behind the door. The giant's wife saw him. She was a very kind woman.
Oh, giant, you are so silly.
Fee.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. Who do I smell? I need to know.
You smell a stew made for you. Here, eat a big plate of stew mix. It will fill you up.
Okay, I'll eat the stew. Well, I know I smell a boy.
Silly man, there is no boy here. Now eat.
I am too full to find the boy now. I'll take a nap. Jack tiptoed over to Mrs. Giant. Thank you, Mrs. Giant, but I must go now. May I take the gold down the beanstalk? My mother's hungry. She needs gold now.
Go to the Jack, take the hen, the gold, and the heart. We have all we need up here. Take it and go.
But would Giant be mad at you?
No, he will wake in a better mood. He isn't really so bad. Go now, just to be safe. When you get home, be sure to cut down the beanstalk.
Jack went down with the hen, the gold, and the heart. Then he cut down the beanstalk as fast as he could. His mother came out of the house.
Oh, Jack, you're back. I'm so happy.
Mother, look, I found some magic beans. We'll never be hungry again. Jack and his mother lived a very comfortable life. The end.
Thank you, fourth graders, for attending. We're so glad you can come.
Well, thank you for coming.